Having looked at two early 90s Tag Heuer 2000 quartz models, let's cast an eye over an automatic version. I referenced the owner of this watch, Bob, in my first 2000 series video.
The aforementioned Bob used to drink 20 pints of stout, clicking each one off on his bezel. Here he is displaying his 2000 series with 20 clicks in the Oliver St John Gogarty's pub, Dublin, 1993.
Bob is a man who knows the purpose of a dive watch bezel. He received his 2000 model as a birthday gift from his parents in 1992, purchased from Cope Jewellers in Grantham. Grantham is a place I sometimes drank in as a young man and have a soft spot for, even though it's the birthplace of capitalist pig dog Margaret Thatcher. Despite me glibly stating Bob recognises the correct utilisation of a dive watch bezel, he's the only dive watch owner I know that has a diving licence. Unfortunately, the first time he entered the sea with his tag, it leaked. Bob recalls the crown operation was stiff from new, and this is where the watch failed, water passing by the not fully home crown. He says it is possible he may have cross-threaded the crown. Probably after drinking 20 pints of Guinness is my guess. He was travelling at the time of the water ingress, and the watch stayed in his bag for 2 years before returning to the UK. He'd left the crown fully open, hoping it would dry the watch out, but seawater had taken its toll. Once home, the watch was returned to Tag for repairs, where it received new movement, dial and hands. But not a new crown tube or crown, meaning one still needs a pair of pliers to operate the crown. And obviously, water needs avoiding like a bed-wetting idiot moon landing believer avoids soap, Tarquin claims. Tag charged £200 for this incomplete repair. The early 1990s automatic 2000 models were higher priced and higher specified than their quartz equivalents. The painted quartz dial was replaced by a stamped dial, reducing raised indices. The same dial construction also used in the much more expensive SEL range, the white dials having the pleasing texture of fallen snow and look fantastic. Easily scratched acrylic crystal made way for sapphire. And of course the ETA 955112 quartz movement stood aside for an ETA 2824-2, which is hackable, hand-windable and has a 38 hours power reserve. Automatic models mirrored their quartz siblings' dimensions with a 38mm diameter, 43.5mm lug to lug and 20mm lug width. One difference is the depth, the automatic measuring 10.5mm compared with the quartz's slimmer 9mm. Weight on the original strap is a featherlight 69 grams. Bob's original strap, however, is somewhat distressed and can no longer retain the buckle. A 19mm Tropic strap was the only strap I had that fitted for a wrist shot. And here it is on a bracelet. Real men wear bracelets. With a new crown and tube, Bob could wear his watch without fear of causing damage when changing date and adjusting time, allowing him once again to click off each pint of Guinness on a night out. And a new strap would help too.